So this is my personal plow setup. Just picked up an old Meyer plow. It didn't have any, attachment for the truck or anything. Welded this thing up, welded it directly to the frame of the truck, and used a cheap 3,000-pound ATV winch, basically. And it does the job. For yard purpose. I had to weld some extra brackets to the cross member there because it bent the frame on my other truck. So anyway, that's it.